is on. Although this year maybe the festivity might not be felt in the air around us, meaning outside we might not see much of lights and sparkles, but still you can have sparkle in your eyes, in your look, and also decorate your house. Nobody stops you from that. So festivity this year needs to be in our mind. Maybe it is not outside, or it might not be felt outside, but you can still enjoy the festival season. So for this festival season, I have got a look which you can do for any kind of festival that is coming up. So let's get started without much waiting. So for this look, I'm first going to do my face, the base makeup, and I'll just fast forward it, and then we will come to the eye makeup, which I want to do a easy eye makeup but with a lot of sparkles. So let's get started. My base is done. Now we will go to the eye makeup. So today I'm going to use some liquid eyeshadows from Milani. These eyeshadows can be used just all alone to give you beautiful sparkles on your eyes, but I wanted to do something different, so let's use it in a different way. I'm using a angled flat brush. fill up the gaps. You can use any combinations of eyeshadows over here. Also, you can use eyeliners. If you have the metallic eyeliners, you can use them also. That will be also very easy to use. I'll just do the other eye and come back. Sorry for the sound coming from outside. That's out of control for me. There is some thing going outside, so excuse me for that. So one of my eye is done. I'll show you what I did in this eye. So I did the same thing as this eye over here, obviously. Then I color which I will get once I blend out this maroon color. So since this is a liquid eyeshadow, I'm not going to blend it much because I want that maroonish intensity to be there. So what I'm going to do is I have taken a peach color, which is quite close to how the maroon one will look once it is blended out. So I'll just take it in a fluffy brush, very little bit, and I'll blend it just right above that maroon color. You can actually use simple eyeshadow that you have, maybe something which has some shine. You just need to spray the brush with some setting spray and pick up the color for a lot of intensity. So it doesn't matter if you don't have this kind of liquid eyeshadow. You can still go ahead. You can use eyeshadows, powder eyeshadows, you can use your metallic eyeliner, anything will do. Next I'm going to use a black gel eyeliner. I'll start from the middle and just follow this line and I'm going to wing it out. Just follow the line as per the maroon one. Next I'm going to line my waterline, lower waterline, and also tight line my eyes in the upper eyelashes. Next I'm going to use that maroon eyeliner and I'm going to put that in the lower lash line, not over the black eyeliner that we applied. It's in the lash line, not in the waterline. I don't like putting any of the liquid eyeliner in the waterline, so I'm just keeping it in the lash line, not in the waterline. Just clean it and I'll go with this lighter, the glittery color, and I'll line the remaining. Doing my eyelashes. Ensure that your liquid eyeshadows, if you're using the liquid eyeshadows, those are completely dry before you go with the eyelash curling, otherwise it will get smudged. They usually don't take much time to dry, so that's a good thing. Now here I am going to use two mascaras. That's because I'm not using false lashes. You can use false lashes. I just try to avoid using false lashes. So use this. I'm using this Essence Lash Princess mascara for getting the length, and the L'Oreal Air Volume Mega Mascara for some volume. And I'm just going to apply it in the outer corner since I have a wing going. Adding volume towards the end actually increases the intensity of the wing and makes the eye look really good. If you want, add some mascara to the lower lashes too. Apply this highlighter that I'm going to use on my cheeks, also to highlight my brow bone. This is the Becca highlighter in Champagne Pop. Really good highlighter. Very smooth, and you can just control the intensity of the highlight. So I'm going to apply some highlighter on my cheeks. Ooh. So what it does, if you want to have control on the highlighter, if you want it to look kind of natural, you can use the highlighter before the blush. But if you want really bright and sparkling highlighter, you can go on top of the blush. So that's a small tip here. So today I'm going to use the highlighter before the blush. For the blush, I'm going to use this shade. I'll use some bronzer just on my forehead and a little bit on my cheeks. Don't want much. Since there is so much of things going on my eyes, I'm just going to use this lipstick, which is kind of nude. If you want to add a little bit more shine to this, you can add the eyeshadow, the glitter eyeshadow that we used on our eyes, just in the middle of the lips, or maybe you can go with some lip gloss if you want. So yeah, so this is how it looks with muted lips. If you want bit darker lips, this is the Revlon lipstick in Teak Rose. I'll just try to add a little bit in the middle. You can darken it completely, but I'm just putting it on the middle of the lips. Not bad. Let's finish the look with some setting spray. You don't have to use much, but if you want, you can just use a bit. Oh. After all, it's the festival season, right? Why not? I hope this tutorial was helpful for you and you liked the look. Let me know what you think in the comment section, And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please kindly consider subscribing to my channel. So hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.